Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, please don't forget to like and subscribe on the button below. Today on Will's Table, I'll be showing you how to prepare potato and pumpkin soup. So guys, let's begin. Guys, when it comes to preparing the soups, I prefer to use the pressure cooker because first thing, the most important thing is the consistency. All the things that you will put or in the pressure cooker, they will all of them all of them will be soft at the same time. You will not have like inconsistency of some are cooked, some are not cooked. So I like to use the pressure cooker because of the consistency, and the second, I like to use the pressure cooker because also of the time. It will take roughly 15 minutes for everything to be boiled and to be ready and soft for us to prepare to the next stage. So guys, that is the first thing. So I will show you how I begin. I'll start. The ingredients for the potato and pumpkin soup are: we have the chopped garlic, chopped onions, we have also the coriander, which is already chopped. This one we will use it as a garnish on the end. And we have already prepared the pumpkin. It's already cut into smaller pieces. And on the side also we have the potatoes, which is already cut also into smaller pieces. And we have bread. And the bread I will introduce it later because this is the one that we will use if you want to take the soup, but I will show you later. And we have the cheese, olive oil. We have also the seasoning, the salt, and the black pepper. So basically these are the ingredients that you will require to be able to make potato and pumpkin soup. The water, I already prepared the water ready, so I'm just going to take the potatoes and later to put the pumpkins together so they can boil. So I'll just have a look. I already washed them for your information. And when it comes to the potato, okay, you can be able to prepare also as per the number of portions. You can be able to balance it. Depends if you want how you want to prepare it basically. Okay, so this is the potato. Actually, I had placed a lot of water, so I will reduce the water a little bit. And now here comes the pumpkin. Okay. So once you put there, you can be able to place some salt. Okay. And the pepper. And for me, when I'm preparing the soup, I like to put already also the onions so that all of it, the flavor can be able to fuse in. So I'm going to put the onion. And for those who are using the same pressure cooker like mine, you have to make sure that you close it properly, because if you don't close it properly, the pressure cooker sometimes it has a habit of it will explode because of the pressure building in. Okay, so guys, I'm going to put it on now, and we can be able to check the timing. As the potato and pumpkin continue boiling, you can also be able to start preparing now what you will be able to have with the potato. So basically, I'll prepare the bread. You see the bread is ready here. So I like when I get the bread done, I like to remove it on the side just for the soft. I prefer to prepare this, okay, because I like most of the time to prepare quick and easy meals. Sometimes you find that, especially when you are staying you come back home in the evening and you have less time to be able to prepare, and you want just to grab something as fast as possible. So I'm sure this recipe, it's quite easy, and anybody there back home can be able to try. So as you can see, I already prepared the bread, so I like to cut it, okay. So it's one of the easiest things that you can be able to prepare if you're back home, you're very tired, and you just want to grab something as fast as possible and eat. So it's down below. So pretty much, I'm going to show you. Pretty much, I already just the toast. So I'm going to, this is the toast is ready. I'm just going to prepare and preheat the oven before I place it inside. Okay guys, for me, when it comes to the soup, already I like to use the Molinex Easy Pied mixer, Easy Chef. Actually, it's Molinex Easy Chef. So once the potato and the pumpkin is ready, I'll just put it here with the soup, and I can be able to mix this one until it becomes smooth. See, it's already ready, so I just have to taste and to feel if there is a bit of salt, and if I want to season it now, I can be able to put it in the pan and try to warm up, put a little bit of fire and just season it a bit just to bring the taste. So it all depends what you like, viewers like back at home. Whatever the taste you want, you can be able to season it afterwards. So basically the soup is ready, and you just have to taste and feel it. I'm putting on the oven now just to preheat before I put the bread with the cheese. All right. So I'm gonna put the oven to preheat it for approximately like 3 minutes. Then I can be able to introduce the bread, the toast. Okay guys, so I'm going to remove the toast. It's already ready. I told you it only takes roughly like 5 minutes. So this is it. I'm just going to remove it. Okay guys, so this is the toast. I already removed it from the oven. As I told you, it takes like approximately 5 minutes. So now I'm going to prepare for you, and viewers back home, you can be able to watch and you can be able to try this. Alright, so see you shortly. Guys, now comes my favorite part. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to leave a comment on the below, and see you on the next episode.